Hello everyone, welcome to new biology class. Today we will talk about algae, their introduction, classification, structure, pigments, nutrition, reproduction, and their economic importance. So let us begin. Introduction of algae. Algae are simple, autotrophic, chlorophyll-bearing thyroid plants. Study of algae is known as phycology or algology. F. E. Fritz is considered the father of algology, study of algae, for his comprehensive work on the algal classification and reproduction, particularly his seminal book, The Structure and Reproduction of Algae. For Indian algology, the title belongs to M.O.P. Iyengar, known for his contribution to the structure, reproduction, and taxonomy of algae in India. So, M.O.P. Iyengar is known as father of Indian algology. They lack of true roots, stem, and leaves. So, the plant body known as thallus. The term algae was first introduced by Linnaeus in 1753. They are mostly aquatic but also on moist soil, tree trunks, rocks, and even snow. Algae contributes nearly 50% of global oxygen production. For example, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, Volvox, Vulva, Laminaria, Geladium, Gracilaria, etc. Journal characteristic of algae. Thallus organization. Unicellular. Presence of single cell. That is Chlamydomonas. Colonial. Present in group. Example, Volvox, Filamentous, Spirogyra, and Parenchymatous. That is Alva. Cell structure. Cell structure eukaryotic, that is developed cell with well-defined nucleus, plastid, mitochondria, and cell wall made up of cellulose. Habit found in fresh water as well as marine water, damp soil, moist rock, snow, and hot springs also. Pigmentation presence of chlorophylls pigment, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, and chlorophyll E, and accessory pigments like carotenoids and phycobilins. Nutrition. Most of the algae are photosynthetic. They are autotrophic. Reserve food material. Starch in green alga, that is, and Lamarian and mannitol in brown alga, Floridian starch in red alga. Locomotion. Some algae are motile due to presence of flagella. Others are non-motile, that is Spirogyra. Classification of algae. Algae are classified into seven main classes based on pigments, stored food, cell wall, composition, and habitat. Chlorophyce, green algae, pigments, chlorophyll, A and B, storage food, starch, habit mostly freshwater. Example, Chlamydomonas, vulva, Volvox, and Spirogyra. Phaeophyce, brown alga, pigments, chlorophyll A and C, and fucoxanthin. Storage food, Laminian, mannitol. Habit, marine, presence in seawater or ocean. Example, Laminaria, fucus, and sargassum. Rhodophyce, red alga, pigments, chlorophyll A, D, and phycoerythrin. Stored food, Floridian starch, habitat marine, presence in seawater, especially in deep water. Example, Geladium, Glaciaria, Porphyra. Xanthophyce, yellow-green algae, pigments, chlorophyll A and C, carotenoids. Example, Boucheria. Bacillariophyce, pigments, chlorophyll A, C, and fucoxanthin. Cell wall, silica, fistules. Example, Navicula pinularia. Dinophyce or dinoflagellates, pigments, chlorophyll A and C, peridinin. Special feature, some species coded red tide. Example, Goniolox serratium. Euglenophyceae, euglenoids, pigments, chlorophyll A and B, nutrition mixotropic, both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Example, Euglena. Habit and nature of algae. Algae present in freshwater, that is known as freshwater algae, Spirogyra, Volvox, Eulothrix. Marine algae, Sargassum and Laminaria. Terrestrial algae, on moist soil or tree of plants. Snow algae, Chlamydomonas niveus, gives red snow. Thermal spring algae survive at high temperatures. Photosynthetic pigments present in algae. Chlorophylls responsible for green color. Carotenoids, yellow-orange pigments act as accessory pigments. Xanthophylls, yellow pigments aids in photosynthesis. Phycobilins found in red and blue-green algae, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. The combination of pigments determine algae colors. Nutrition in algae. Autotrophic nutrition. Using sunlight for photosynthesis. Holozoic nutrition. Rare but seen in Prototheca. Mixotropic nutrition. Found in Euglena. Saprophyte nutrition. Found in few species. Reproduction in algae. That is three type vegetative reproduction. In this type takes place by means of fragmentation and cell division. Asexual reproduction by zoospore, by aplanospore, by hypnospore. Sexual reproduction, that is three type isogamy, fusion of morphological similar gametes in Chlamydomonas, anisogamy, fusion of dissimilar gametes in Alva. Ogamy, fusion of large egg and small motile sperm, that is fucus. Economic importance of algae, that is beneficial uses, which are useful food. Porphyra, alba, and chlorella is used as food. Agar production. It is used in industrial products found in Giladium and Gracilaria. Biofertilizer, that is Anavina and nostoc medicines, antiviral and antibacterial compounds from red algae. Industrial products, that is alginates, carrageenan, iodine extraction. Iodine obtained from laminaria. Biofuels production. Algae used for biodiesel. Oxygen production contribute significantly to global oxygen balance. Harmful effect. Red tides caused by dinoflagellates, that is goniolax. Water blooms, overgrowth of algae, reduced oxygen, toxin. Some blue-green algae produce harmful toxin. So friends, today we explored the world of algae, their introduction, structure, classification, pigments, reproduction, and economic importance. Algae are not only crucial for our environment but also for industry and our daily life. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Biological World Time for more details biology lectures. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.